The future of manufacturing is green, smart, and efficient. Welcome to Energy Master, a project redefining how factories harness solar energy for a more sustainable tomorrow. Urgency to reduce carbon emissions challenge industries every day. But what if factories could optimize their energy use and reduce dependency on the grid simply by using the sun? This is where Energy Master comes in. Our project integrates AI-powered forecasts, real-time energy monitoring, and automated production planning to perfectly align manufacturing processes with solar energy generation. The result? Smarter energy use, lower costs, and a greener footprint. To take control of their energy usage, cut costs, and support the transition to renewable energy. With our expert partners, Santa Reply, GridDuck, Tech Eurolab, Diversi, and the Industry Innovation Cluster, we're building solutions that combine sustainability, technology, and innovation. Why does this matter? Because the future of manufacturing depends on smarter energy strategies. By integrating AI-driven energy optimization, factories can reduce their reliance on fossil fuels, lower operational costs, and improve resilience against energy price fluctuations. Energy Master isn't just about efficiency. It's about making sustainable industry the new standard. We're just getting started. Follow our journey, explore our solutions, and see how we're helping industries shape a cleaner, smarter future. Stay up to date with all project news right here on our website and on LinkedIn. Together, we can master the power of solar.